I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
And today we are right here in Celina, Texas, in Cambridge Crossing, in front of one of our clients' houses that are getting ready to close, actually. It's going to close in the next week or two. This is a UnionMain home, like I said, in Cambridge Crossing. It is the Mason model, just like the model home, actually, in Cambridge Crossing. And if you haven't seen that video, make sure that you check it out. I'll put it up here as well as in the description below. Things are a little different in this. In the single family model home that we showed had the optional media room or flex room, and it was all one level, whereas this has the optional secondary just kind of game room loft upstairs. But everything else is pretty much the same. If this is your first time on our channel, we're a local real estate agent specializing in all things Dallas real estate, and especially right here in Celina, Texas. So if that is something that you're interested in, if you think about moving, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell, so you're alerted every time we do a video.
And don't forget to give us a call, text, or email. Whatever you got to do to get a hold of us, just get a hold of us.
We help hundreds of clients every single year relocate here to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we absolutely love it. So to get started on your dream home, make sure you hit that dream home form link below, and we'll get you started, set up a Zoom meeting, and get you on your way to your dream home. So let's get into this bad boy.
Let's do it.
And then, like I said, we're gonna walk right on in and just answer some questions that we get commonly asked, especially at this time in this stage in the process. One thing I will point out, a lot of people that are relocating here, especially from California, are always concerned about the grass, right? So they just laid the sod down, and you can see that it's patchy, right? This will fill in quite nicely, but even if it is dormant, if you were in, let's say, a month and a half from now, everything kind of goes dormant, where everything is kind of that velvet grassy area. It still will settle in, root down, and take roots, and then when the spring comes, it will pop back up. So just something to keep in mind. It won't always look kind of patchy or muddy or anything like this. They soak it down, sprinkler it every single day just to get it, what's the best word for that? Get it settled in, take root, so to speak, take hold.
So by next spring, it'll be fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. Love the big porch, especially on those rainy days. Come on in. So as you walk in, one thing I want to point out is look at how big and grand the opening is. You've got your coffered ceilings right here. You've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom off to the side, right here. So you can kind of see good sized rooms. They share this bathroom. And so our particular clients on this picked out this awesome tile floor, very popular. It is about as carefree as it's gonna take. Waterproof, the whole 9, obviously, but it's got that wood look, and it's that gray, which everybody is after. And then right in here, you've got your utility room.
Good size utility room.
And then this house has the 3-car garage, because they elected not to have that flex room, media room, whatever you want to call it. That would normally be in this space right here.
Can't see it, it's pretty dark, but
can't see it?
You get an idea.
Okay. All right. Now, you ready for the wow factor? This house has got the killer family, just informal dining kitchen area on the planet.
Yeah, it is
You
very.
got a bedroom down here, but this is what we want to show you. This is the money shot, right? Look at these cabinets. Now, picture entertaining Thanksgiving, all that stuff. How long is this? You can have buffet style for days. You got the pot filler, which I always recommend. All the guys always ask, what is this thing? We just had a client when we did a walkthrough, actually a couple streets over, and that's what he was asking. What is that for? That's to fill those pots for those spaghetti dinners that you want, right?
But you didn't know that until I pointed that out to you there. So.
Well, okay, you don't have to drag me out there. That's the snack closet.
Snack
Patrice always just call me out on film. Right? This is a big formal or informal room. I mean, breakfast area, it's huge. Let's go out so you can see. Everybody's always asking about size of lots and that sort of thing. So these are just 50-foot wide lots. It's not like, acreage or anything like that. But you get really deep, good sized, pool-sized lots.
Plenty of space.
People don't realize that. First of all, look at how big this patio is.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they did
the sliders.
the sliders, which is so nice.
Yeah. Now, one thing that the model has that maybe they'll do, maybe they won't. I don't know. We haven't had that conversation, but you can put a screen down here and block out all that sun. They have it plumbed for not only a grill, but for a sink. But look at the size lot, right? You could definitely put a pool in here. People are often shocked at how their pools don't take up that much space.
No, this is plenty big enough for a pool.
Our backyard literally is half the size.
Oh yeah.
All right, so let's go take a look at that master bedroom. When you're looking at homes in this process, now this has already been done, but what we would do is call a blue tape meeting, right? So we come in and do a final walk a week before you close. This was delayed and pushed back a little bit, so it's already been done. But we go around and any little flaws, any little touch-ups in the paint, anything that we feel that needs to be addressed, we go and we blue tape it all around. So if you walk into a home and you see all this blue tape all over the place, that is what that's for. Come on in. Nice, good sized master bedroom, or primary, how we call it these days. And then you've got your ensuite here. Doesn't have the mirrors in yet.
They're coming today.
They're coming today. Like everything in 2021, right? Everything's backlit. But here you go. Big, long vanity. Good sized shower, soaking tub, and then a good sized master closet as well. Right, let's go upstairs. Let's check it out. The house is looking good. It's ready to go. Maybe, let me show people the sliders. These are real popular. So picture that indoor, outdoor entertaining, especially if you have on real hot days, you put that shade down. A lot of people, you have an optional in this floor plan to have a fireplace here. They like not to. They did have, they are going to put a TV right here, right? So it's just a really cool in and out entertaining floor plan. This thing is perfect for those that love to entertain, like that inside outside lifestyle. But we were on our way upstairs. Like I said, this just has a bathroom upstairs and a loft kind of gaming. There it is. Just a big giant room upstairs that you can do lots of things with.
Good kid space for sure.
Good kid space, get them out of the way. And then like a powder bath up here. One thing I do want to point out, when you have like an upstairs game room and that sort of thing, what I love about this is that the noise is gonna stay mostly up here. When you have kind of that lofty area and you have open railings overlooking kind of the family room, it looks really cool, but it can be noisy when the kids are upstairs playing pool or doing what they're doing. You're trying to watch the game or a movie downstairs, it can be a little noisy. You won't have that problem in a situation like that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, that bell so you're alerted every time we do a video. And don't forget to hit that Dream Home form. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.